I like to work with my hands. I like to be hands-on. When you do it, when you physically do the task, you know, it's easier to learn and it's easier to grow from. So I take that and I do it every day, and I'm here every day, and people, you know, I've networked with people all the time, and I've grown. I always wanted to weld. It was something that I always wanted to do, and basically I manifested that. Welding is an art, it's a trade, it's a craft. I'm learning carpentry skills on the side as well as painting. The first cohort we were painting, I was painting murals in Philadelphia, covering up the graffiti, and we were putting murals up, helping painting those. Welding, painting, carpentry, now I do them all. Realizing that you have to, you know, change, and you can't be stuck in a certain mindset. You have to rise above the influence. You can't let people influence you. You can't let negativity influence you. You have to find a way and stay firm to it. And that's what I'm learning and growing on, and that's what I live by. So that's what keeps me going and keeps me focused on the positive things. And you reach out to people, and those people open up doors that you couldn't open up by yourself. And that's what I've been learning to do, because by myself, I won't be able to reach the goals that I'm trying to reach. So I learn how to network with positive people, people that are smarter, that know more, that know the right things, and that could lead me in the right path, you know, in the right direction to get where I need to be, where I want to be. Man, I can't wait to go places. It's sad to say Philadelphia, as much love as there is here, it's a starting point and it's a beacon of hope to move. But like, I want to go somewhere else. I want to explore other opportunities, different people, different cultures. I want to explore everything. There's a different part of the world, and I feel like you only get one opportunity to do it, so I'm trying to take advantage of everything. I can go to any part of the world for any job, and I'll always need a welder. I can see that I'm going to be successful.